Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question on how do I stand out and zero in on the thing that makes me unique. Great question. So you got to identify what's your niche and what's that like secret sauce that you have to offer. So for example, in my industry, I could have said I'm a social media expert, social media strategist, because I could teach you how to build Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and all these things. But I did some market research. I have a blog that can teach you how to do that. If you head to rachelngom.com, search market research, I'll teach you. So I was doing some market research and I realized my people really struggled with how to get new leads and sales. They were sick of struggling on Facebook and Instagram because the logarithm sucked and it wasn't working anymore. And they just wanted to get new leads. And so I was like, I know how to use Pinterest. I've used Pinterest to get over 20,000 leads for free. I asked them, have you used Pinterest? They had no clue that you could use Pinterest to get free leads. I'm like, this could be like my unique thing that I'm offering. So think about, what are you good at? What are your people struggling with? And how could you fill in that gap and be specific enough? You have to be specific that you become referable. So if someone's looking for a Pinterest person, they're going to come to me or refer me. If they're looking for a general social media person, like those are a dime a dozen, right? So you got to get specific in your niche. And then the other thing, to become unique, be you. If you're not like proper and all fancy, don't try to be like anyone else. Don't try to be anything but yourself. That's the most important thing. So I do little things in my emails and different posts that make me stand out a little bit more, but it's literally just me. So I'll talk about friends and I'll include friends' gifts and different funny things, and I'll speak, like I'll type the way that I actually speak. And so you feel like I'm talking, like I want it to feel like I'm talking to my BFF. And so be you. Make sure that you're talking like you're talking to your BFF and talking to your one person. And when you do that, that's how you're really going to stand out, just by being yourself and adding massive value to your people. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to head to the blog, she'smakingimpact.com. I got lots of tips to help you build your business, and I'll see you later.